Hi, my name is Allison Gilmore, and I am your GT teacher, and I can't wait to meet you. I just wanted to introduce myself. You are going to be seeing me in some of the activities that we're doing. I've created videos to show you how to complete those activities. I'm looking forward to a great school year, whether you're here at Cypress Grove or whether you're virtual. It's going to be amazing. So, just a little bit about myself. This is my 20th year as an educator. I taught for 13 years in a middle school in Bryan, grades 6, 7, and 8. And then I taught for 4 years. I was an instructional coach at Bryan High School, and I worked with 22 social studies teachers. I was their coach and mentor. And then I came to Cypress Grove in 2018 as the enrichment specialist, and I have just fallen in love with the Gifted and Talented program in CSISD. It is amazing. And so I'm excited about what we get to do this year. I'm married. I have 2 sons. My husband's name is Dennis. He's an Aggie just like me. We both graduated from Texas A&M in 2001. We have an 8-year-old. His name is Case. And we have a 10-year-old. His name is TJ. And they're in the 3rd and the 5th grade. And they keep me busy. My oldest plays competitive soccer, so we travel a lot with that. I also am working on my doctorate degree through Texas A&M University. So this is my last year. I'm supposed to graduate in August of 21. So I'm super excited. It's been a busy 3 years, but I'm excited for this last year of research and writing. And so I'm looking forward to the next chapter. So this year, a few things about GT. When you come to campus, you get pulled through your PE and fine arts classes. You're never pulled from a subject like an academic subject. And you're always given an option if you're in, if you have off-campus PE and you choose to use that hour as your GT hour, that's fine also. You are pulled 1 time a week, so about for 1 hour a week. It's a little bit less time than you had in elementary, and you are scheduled with other students in your grade level. And so if you have questions right now about how that's going to look when you return, you can send me an email and I'll do my very best to answer. We're going to start this week with some really fun activities, but I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know that I'm looking forward to meeting you all. Have a great day.